Hey, have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really floating above us? I'm not talking about the big blockbuster satellites that cost millions to launch. I mean the tiny satellites, also known as CubeSats or small sats, that are quietly transforming how we see and interact with our world. Let's break it down. A small satellite can be as little as 10 centimeters wide, about the size of a Rubik's Cube. Compare that to the size of a traditional satellite, which can be as big as a school bus. These little guys might seem insignificant, but trust me, their impact is massive. First off, why are they so important? Well, it comes down to cost, speed, and accessibility. Small satellites are way cheaper to build and launch. Universities, startups, even some high schools can now afford to send their own satellites into orbit. That means more minds are working on space tech than ever before, and innovation is happening at lightning speed. You might be wondering what these satellites actually do. The answer? Almost everything. They take high-res images of Earth, track wildfires, monitor weather patterns, and even help scientists study climate change. Some are used for communications, bringing internet access to remote areas where cables just can't reach. Others help track ships and airplanes, or even test new technologies that could one day change how we explore the solar system. One of the coolest things, because they're so small, dozens, even hundreds can be launched at once. Companies like SpaceX have started rideshare missions, where a single rocket carries a whole bunch of these satellites into space. That means more coverage, faster. Imagine having a swarm of tiny satellites constantly watching out for natural disasters, or tracking illegal fishing in real time. But it's not all smooth sailing. With so many satellites zipping around, there's a growing risk of space debris. That's why researchers are working on ways to make small satellites safer, like designing them to burn up completely when their mission ends. So next time you check the weather on your phone, remember, there's a good chance a tiny satellite helped make that possible. These little machines are making space more accessible, more affordable, and more useful than ever before. Tiny satellites, big impact. The sky isn't the limit anymore, it's just the beginning.